Unlocking the game, the phrase, "Start the ball rolling." Hello, and welcome to today's lesson on a very interesting English phrase, "Start the ball rolling." This is a common expression used in both formal and informal settings, and understanding it can really help you in everyday English conversations. Today, we're going to break down what it means, how to use it, and give you some examples to practice with. So, let's get the ball rolling with our lesson. The phrase, "start the ball rolling," is an idiom that means to begin an activity or process, to initiate action, or to start a discussion. It originates from the idea of setting a ball into motion, which requires an initial push. Similarly, the phrase suggests the beginning of an action that will continue or encourage further activity. Start the ball rolling can be used in various contexts. In meetings or discussions, to initiate a topic or encourage participation. During events or activities, to begin an event or activity. In personal goals or projects, to take the first step towards starting a new project or goal. It's a versatile phrase that can be adapted to both formal and informal settings. The key is to use it when you're about to initiate something or encourage others to start participating. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use "start the ball rolling" in sentences. 1. Let's start the ball rolling with the first item on the agenda. 2. I was hoping you could start the ball rolling on our discussion about the new project. 3. To get the ball rolling on our charity event, we first need to secure a venue. Notice how in each example, the phrase is used to signify the beginning of an action or discussion. Now, it's your turn. Try to create your own sentences using "start the ball rolling." Think about a project you want to start or a meeting where you could use this phrase to kick things off. Remember, the best way to master a new phrase is to practice using it in various contexts. Thank you for joining today's lesson on the phrase, "start the ball rolling." I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what it means, how to use it, and how you can start applying it in your daily English conversations. Remember, learning a new language is all about taking that first step and keeping the momentum going. So, let's start the ball rolling on your English learning journey together. See you in the next video.